Hello, Buddha. You are staying with grade 7 English medium second term model paper discussion class today. So I know there are so many new students here, and also you are ready to write your second term test, and also maybe some students they have already written. Putet, by today's session, you will be able to revise, right, all the things that you have learned so far in your grade 7. And also, Puta, this will be a aid. This will be a help for you to revise your knowledge that you have learned so far. And also, I know there are so many new students here as well. And also, meanwhile, I'm doing the class, I will explain about my ongoing classes. Then theory class එක මේ ongoing class එකක් නේ. I will explain about my ongoing classes to the newbies. Meanwhile, I'm doing the seminar. So I told you to complete the try the second term paper and come to the class, because if you have tried it, it will be very helpful for you to understand properly rather than just not doing the paper and come. But it's okay if you have not done it. It's okay. Turn on the chat. So how are you, my students? How are you, my students? You're doing good. Nice. And me too, Bhute. Thank you. Okay, off the shot. Right, let's go to the problems. Okay, first to that. Right, we shall go to the first question. We shall go to the first question. The price of a book and 2 pens is 45 rupees. Find the price of a pen and the price of a book. Find the price of a pen if the price of a book is 25 rupees. So here you can understand, Bhute, there are pens, there are books, right? So price of a book and 2 pens, okay. Price of a book has been given. Price of one book is how much? Price of one book is how much for that? 25 rupees. All right. The price of a one book we don't know. That is the sorry. Price of a book තමයි දීලා තියෙන්නේ. Price of a pen තමයි අහන්නේ. Price of a pen we do not know. Because of that, I put the price of a pen as X. Sorry. Algebraic term එකක් දානවා. It's unknown term නේ. හරි. Okay. So price of a book. Price of a book is 25 and 2 pens. 1 pen is X rupees, then 2 pens 2X rupees, right? Price of the X. That is equal to 40. Now you need to find X. So I want to make X as the subject of this equation. Right? I want to make X as the subject of this linear equation or the simple equation. Right? What I can do for that? In order to make X as the subject, the first thing we have to do is we have to first isolate 2x. Right. To isolate 2x, this 25 is a disturbed, no? Because of that, I subtract 25 from one side, can this side. If you subtract something from one side of the equation, definitely you have to subtract the same thing from the other side of the equation according to the axioms. Right? So here it is 25 minus 25, it is 0. 2x plus 0, 2x. So 2x is equal to 40 minus 25. Here it is 45, with the 45 kilo. Sorry. So here it is 45. 45 minus 25 means 20. 2x is equal to 20, but I need x. In order to make X as the subject, or to isolate the x, this 2 is a disturb. Because of that, I need to eliminate that 2. In order to eliminate that 2, I divide this side by 2. If you divide one side of the equation by 2, definitely you have to divide the other side of the equation by 2. X is equal to 10. X is equal to 10, but in this question, they're asking a price, it is rupees, because of that. It is because of that. Let's write like this. Price of a pen is equal to X rupees. X means 10. Because of that, the answer is 10 rupees. So price of a pen is 10 rupees. So this is the answer of the question. Right? All right. Shall we move into the second question? Find the value of 5 plus 3 into 2 minus 1. When we are implementing a simplification, we definitely follow the BODMAS. You already know that. BODMAS. What do you mean by the BODMAS, Puta? BODMAS is the simplification sequence. Order of the simplification. If there are more mathematical functions. Okay, BODMAS. What do you mean by BODMAS? I write BODMAS like this. B means bracket. O means off. D mean division. M mean multiplication. A mean addition. S mean subtraction. So what are the mathematical functions that we have to implement in this simplification? Addition, multiplication, subtraction. So here you can see, Puta, addition, multiplication, subtraction, addition, subtraction, multiplication. So here you can see the multiplication in order. First, we have to perform this. So answer is 5 plus 3 into 2, 6. 6 minus 1. දැන් පුතේ ඔය ප්ලස් මයිනස් තියෙනකොට මේ තියෙන පිළිවෙලට කරාට ප්‍රශ්නයක් නැහැ. බොඩ්මස් ෆලෝ කරන්න ඕනේ නැහැ. කරත් ප්‍රශ්නෙකුත් නැහැ. හරි 5 plus 6 11. 11 minus 1, answer is 10. So the answer is 10. Answer is 10. Right. We shall go to the next question. Write the set shown in the Venn diagram using common property. Set notation. Puta, we can demonstrate a set according to 3 methods. Wait, Puta. Okay. What is the first one? Descriptive method. The first thing is, what do you mean by set? Set කියන්නේ මොකක්ද? Set is a group of identical elements. එකිනෙකට වෙන්කොට හඳුනා ගන්න පුළුවන් අවයව සමූහයක් තමයි අපි set එකක් කුලකයක් කියලා. හරි. Set is a group of identical elements. Normally, Buddha, we name a set in English letters of or the capital letters of English alphabet. Here we have denoted the set A. Right. First method is descriptive method. Second method is element listing method. Third method is Venn diagram. There is another method, set notation. Right. So what are the elements here? So if I write this set in element listing method, so A is here. We are writing elements. We are writing normally a set within curly brackets. You already know 1, 4, 9, 16, 25. දැන් මේ method එක මොකද්ද? element listing method. හරි. එහෙම නෙමෙයි අහන්නේ. මේගොල්ලෝ අහන්නේ specific common property එකකින් ලියන්න කියලා කියනවා. ඒ කියන්නේ අත්‍තරම descriptive method එකකින් ලියන්න කියලා කියන්නේ. What are these numbers පුතේ? Square numbers නෙවෙයි. What do you mean by square numbers? What is the first counting number? 1. 1 square is the first square number. What is the second counting number? 2. 2 square is the second square number. What is the third counting number? 3. 3 into 3. This is the third square number. What is the fourth counting number? 4. 4 square is the 16. It is the fourth square number. What is the fifth square number? 5 square. 5 into 5, 25. So I can write set A square numbers, but we have to give a limit. Ne? 1 to 25. Square numbers from 1 to 20. From 1 to 20. From 1 to 20, 20, 25. 25. In between in between 1 to 25 කිව්වොත් 1 to 25 නැතුව තමයි ලියවෙන්න ඕනේ. එහෙම නෙමෙයි ලියවලා තියෙන්නේ. හරි. එහෙම නැත්නම් තව ඕන්න බලන්න. Square numbers less than 27. It's okay. We can write මේක තව විදිහට ලියන්න පුළුවන්. හරි. So these are square numbers from 1 to 25 කිව්වනම් මේ ටික set වෙනවා. Right, so you can understand. So මේ තියෙන්නේ element listing method එක. මේ තියෙන්නේ descriptive method එක. They are asking from as the descriptive method. Right. Okay, let's go to the next question. Right. Putha, you should know about the rules of sign conversions. What do you mean by sign conversions? Puthe, plus into plus, it is plus. Minus into minus, it is plus. You can remind this as if you multiply same signs, plus plus, minus minus, answer is plus. Plus into minus, it is minus. Minus into plus, it is minus. You can remember this as if you multiply different signs, it is minus. Plus into minus. So here, minus 3 plus 2. So here it is minus 3 plus into plus, it is plus. Minus 3 plus 2. Again, minus 3 in minus 3 plus 2 again 1, 2. දෙකක් මෙහාට පයින්න ඕනේ. Minus 1 is the answer. Minus 1 තමයි answer එකට එන්නේ. හරි. හරි. දැන් ඕක number line එකේ අර demonstrate කරන්නේ කොහොමද? මම ඔක කියලා දුන්නේ. හරි. ඒක නිකන් graphical method එකක්. මුලින්ම මොකක්ද ඉන්නේ minus 3. එහෙනම් ඔයා දැන් ඉන්නේ 0 වලනේ. මුලින් කියන අපි හිතනවා මම ඉන්නේ දැන් 0 වල. හරි. ඔන්න මම එහෙනම් ඔන්න minus 3 ට යනවා මුලින්. minus 3 plus තියෙනවා නම් මම මේ හරි I am ready to go this side. I'm ready to go this side. හරිද? ඊට පස්සේ ඉන්න directed number එක plus නම් confirm වෙනවා යන එක මේ පැත්තට. හරි? එහෙනම් දෙපාරක් යන්න ඕනේ මෙහාට. 1 2. minus උනොත් අනිත් පැත්තට යන්න ඕනේ. Right? You have to understand පුතේ. The graphical method that's a graphical method. හරි? 0 වල ඉන්නවා. ඔන්න -3 ඉන්න -3 ට යනවා. -3 plus නම් I am ready to go to the right hand side. ready වෙනවා. confirm නෑ තාම. ආයේ plus ලැබුණොත් තමයි confirm වෙලා යන්නේ. minus આવුත් මෙහාට යනවා. graphical method, but you can understand the theoretically. හරි? according to the sign conversion you can understand this. අර graphical එක නිකන් එක මේක. හරි? logic එක තියෙන්නේ මෙතන. හරි? right. So the answer is -1. So the answer is -1. එක නිකන් මෙහෙම දාලා පෙන්නන්න ඉච්චරයි. ඔය යටින් ගහුවත් ප්‍රශ්නයක්. So the answer is -1. Draw the angle with arm PQ and QR and the vertex Q. පුතා. What do you mean by an angle? Angle එකක් කියන්නේ දැන් අපි හිතමු මේක මේ. මෙයා angle එක. Angle is consist of two arms. මේවට කියනවා අපි arms කියලා. මේ angle එකේ arms. Arms හම්බෙන තැනට. The point where the two arms are meeting, we call that point as vertex. So PQ and QR. What is the common point? Q. So the Q should be the vertex. එහෙම දැම්මම හරි. දැන් මේවා දාන්න ලියන්න ඕනේ හරි. දැන් මේක කොහොමද ප්‍රශ්නයක් නේ හරි. ඒක මේ ඔයා වෙන මේ acute angle එකක් හරි මොකක් හරි එහෙම දැන් ප්‍රශ්නයක්. හරි. අර types of angles මතකද මම පොඩ්ඩක් මතක් කරන්නම්. පුතේ. Types of angles, can you remember? මොනවද කියන්නේ? right angle. Angles less than 90, less than right angle, acute angle. It was angle greater than 90 but less than 180. Greater than one right angle, smaller than two right angle, it is obtuse angle. In. So you can understand this is less than 90, right? Less than 90, no? That type of angles we call them as acute angles. 90 degree nang right angle. Greater than 90, make a greater than 90, but less than 290s. Two right angles or less. That type of angles we call them as obtuse. Make a two right angles. We're going to straight angles scale. Then make a greater than straight angle. Greater than straight angle. Reflex angle scale. Okay. Turn on the chat. Can you remember? Okay, off the chat. Find the value. Right. Pudha, can you remember when we multiply a number by 10, what happens to the decimal point? Decimal point moves one time to the right hand side. 100 two times to the right hand side. 1000 three times to the right hand side. If you divide by 10, one time to the left hand side. If you divide by 1000, three times to the left hand side. Here, other thing you should know, Puta, if I write a number, for example, 3.1, Puta, I can put any number of zeros in front of the whole number part. Unit place at whole number part. Any number of zeros, it doesn't matter for the value. Already it is 3.1. Also, I can put any number of zeros. Decimal point again pass the zeros, it doesn't matter. Right. So here, if you multiply this 3.5 by 10, this decimal point moves to here. So the answer is 35. Whole number decimal point. If you multiply this by 1000, what happens? 0.31. I can put a 0. It's okay. Decimal point moves 3 times to the right hand side. 1, 2, 3. So answer 310. 310 is the answer. Write the way of reading a over 2 plus 5. A over 2 plus 5. A over 2 plus 5. A divided by 2 plus A divided by plus 5. Divide A by 2 and add 5. And we end up flow. Divide A by 2. Next question. Puta. Okay. If I draw a circle, Puta, this is the here you can understand. And this is the center, right? The distance from center to the circumference is always a constant. You can understand. And distance between this needle and the pencil is always constant. So you can understand. So Butha, we call this as center. This is the center. Right? The distance from center to the circumference of the circle, we call it as radius. Any distance radius scale. If I join 2 points, if I join 2 points on the circumference of the circle through the center, that distance we call it as the diameter. Diameter. So diameter equal to twice of the radius. Then may distance is r na. May r 2r. Right. What is the O? O is the center. What is the OA? It is a radius. BC, it is a diameter. Right. Write this as a decimal. So we have learned that when a number divided by 10, decimal point moves one time to the left hand side, 100 and two times, 1000 and three times, right? So if the denominator is a power of 10, we can easily convert the fraction to the decimal. Power of 10, that means 10 to the power 1, 10. 10 to the power 2, 100. 10 to the power 3000. So now I am checking whether can I convert this 4 to a power of 10. First power of 10, 10, 10 to the 100, yes. I can multiply this 4 by 25 in order to convert 4 to the 100. If you multiply the either denominator or numerator by some value, you have to definitely, if you multiply this denominator by 25, you definitely you have to multiply the numerator by 25 in order to take the equivalent fraction of this. Right. So here it is 100. Here it is 75. If you divide 75 by 100, decimal point moves 1, 2. Twice to the left hand side. So this is the value. 0 1, 2. So I can put a 0 here, right? 0.75. Otherwise, right, I can take the answer by just dividing 3 by 4 using the long division method. Okay, let's see how to do that. How many 4s for 3? 0. 4 into 0, 0. 3 minus 0, 3. Now I have to download the next digit to here now. I can put a decimal point and put a 0. It doesn't matter for the value. It's already 3, right? Now I download this 0 to here. You have downloaded this 0, but you have passed the decimal point. Because of that, you have to put a decimal point on here. How many 4s for 3? 7. 4 into 7, 28. 30 minus 28, 2. Now I need to download next digit. I can put a 0. I download that to here. How many 4s for 25? 4 into 5, 20. 20 minus 20, 0. Division has been terminated. So the answer is 0.75. Turn on the chat. Can you understand the questions I have discussed so far? If you have a problem, put problem to the chat. Then I can turn on the mic of you and help you to do that. And we can discuss. Yeah, of the chat. Nice. Puta, newbies, all the new students, Puta, we are regularly, you can attend to our classes, our grade 7 class. I will tell all the informations while I'm doing the seminar. So you can understand the way we are teaching, and also there are a lot of benefits that you can obtain. We are sending the tutorials to your home free of charge to your home each and every month. You can watch the class recordings. If you miss the live class, in live class you can interact with me and learn. If you are going for a physical class, so you have to go to the class, come back home. Your parents also have to go with you. They also have to come back with you. Time wasting, everything. You can sort out every problems here from our class. I will tell you every information. Just wait for it. Concave polygon, Puta. What do you mean by convex polygons? Polygons I can classify into main two categories: convex polygons and concave polygons. What do you mean by convex polygons? If a polygon, all the vertices has been portraits outward, portrait outwards now. එලියට නේරලා තියෙනවා නම් හැම ශීර්ෂයක්ම portrait කියන්නේ මේ නේරලා වගේ අදහසක් හරි. මේ බලන්න දැන් මේවා මේ you can understand with it. All the vertices they are pointed to outside of the polygon. If so, it is a convex polygon. If at least one vertex points inwards of the polygon, it is a concave polygon. You can බලන්න මේ ඔක්කොම ඔන්න දැන් outside portrayed, but one vertex has been portrayed inside. It has been pointed inside of the polygon. It is a convex. At least one. There may be two, there may be three, there may be four. It doesn't matter. If at least one vertex portrays inside of the polygon, it's a concave polygon. If all the vertices points outside of the polygon, it is a convex polygon. එහෙම කියන්න පුළුවන්. හරි. Other thing is පුතා, all the interior angles of a convex polygon is a acute angle වෙන්න පුළුවන්, right angle වෙන්න පුළුවන්, obtuse angle වෙන්න පුළුවන්. හරිද? කවදාවත් reflex angle වෙන්න බෑ. In a convex polygon, හරි, there are no any reflex interior angles, but in concave polygon there is definitely reflex angles. මේ බලන්න මේ point එකේ මෙතන තියෙන reflex angle එක, reflex interior angle එකක්, reflex angle එකක් කිව්වේ දැන් මම කලින් කිව්වේ angles greater than 180. දැන් මේ බලන්න මම මේක මම දික් කරොත් මේක 180 ඊට වඩා වැඩි. එහෙම හිතන්නත් පුළුවන්. The other thing is පුතා, I can join any two points inside. I can join any 2 points inside a convex polygon without going outside of the polygon. Polygon එකෙන් එළියට යන්නේ නැතුව එයා මත එයාගේ ඇතුලේ ඉන්න ඕනම ලක්ෂ දෙකක් යා කරන්න මට රේඛාවක් නිර්මාණය කරන්න පුළුවන්. එනකොට මේක එහෙම බෑ. දැන් මේ බලන්න. මේ මැත් මේ. දැන් මේ පොයින්ට් එකයි මේ පොයින්ට් එකයි. හරි මම කැලක් එළියේ. Right. So what are the concave polygon I can see here? Here you can see, right? This is a concave polygon. Right. So I can say A, E, C, B, F. This is a concave polygon. Turn on the chat. Can you understand about what do you mean by concave and convex polygons? Clearly. Okay, on the show. Definite sides there. Definite sides කොහොමද තියෙන්නේ? There are no definite side කියලා ගන්න. Any number of sides. Okay, පුතා, let me explain about our classes නේ. හරි, මම ඊළඟ question එකත් කළාම කියන්න. 10. Where's 11? Huh? Buddha, what is the last day of 22nd century? What is the first century? 1 BC, sorry, AC, 1 AC to 100 AC. ක්‍රිස්තු වර්ෂ 1 ඉඳලා ක්‍රිස්තු වර්ෂ 100 දක්වා කාලයට අපි කියන ෆස්ට් සෙන්චරි කියලා. ඒ කියන්නේ හරි. ඒ කියන්නේ 100 කියන වර්ෂයේ දෙසැම්බර් 12ත් ෆස්ට් සෙන්චරි තමයි. දැන් 101 to 200 අන්න මෙයා තමයි සෙකන්ඩ් සෙන්චරි. if you divide this by 100 අන්න සෙන්චරි එනවනේ. එහෙනම් පුතේ 22nd century කියන්නේ 22nd එහෙනම් 2200 එහෙනම් අර 2100 වල ඉඳලා 2200 දක්වා තියෙන කාලය. sorry මෙතන මේ 2101 නේ. පොඩ්ඩක් ඔළුවෙන් හිතන්නකෝ. දැන් මේ 2025 නේ. එක කියලා එකක් තියෙන්න ඇතිනේ. එකේ ඉඳලා 100 දක්වා අන්න first century. From 101 to 200 second century. හරිද? දැන් මේ if you divide this by මේ margin එක මෙයා 100 ගෙන් කරාම 1 මෙයා 100 ගෙන් කරාම 2 එහෙනම් 20 second 100 ගෙන් multiply කරාම මෙයානේ. හරිද? එහෙනම් මෙතන ඉන්න ඕනේ 1 200 2101 හරිද? يعني 2200 කියන year එකක් ඒ year එකෙත් ඕනම date එකක් 22nd century තමයි. Now what is the last day? 2200 December 31st. Okay, let me explain about our classes. May I turn on the chat? Put new to the chat if you're a new student. Put new to the chat if you're a new student. Then new students. Okay, of the chat. If you want to go for a tuition class, you can go for a physical class or a online class. No, the physical class you have to go to the class. Again, come back home. Your parents have to go with you and come back with you. Like you are wasting like maybe 1 hour to the road to go. Come back another 1 hour. 2 hours are wasting per day. For 4 days, 8 hours you are wasting. Like you have to spend some money to go, transfer the transportation, maybe 500. To come back another 500. Altogether 1000. 1000 into 4, 4000. Class fee එක කීයද? මම දන්නේ class fees කීයද කියලා. 1000 කියමු class fee. At least මේ 1000 කිව්වත් 5000 වෙනවා. With our classes, we conduct live classes. In live classes, you can interact with me and learn. You can ask questions and learn. If you miss the live class, you can come to the repeat. If you miss the repeat, you can watch our class recordings from our website. I will show you our website. And also each and every month, we will send our tudes. Our tudes each and every month, free to your charge, free to your home, right? Right. So let's go to the website and let me show our website. After you come to our classes, you have to, after you pay the class fee, you have to register our website. After you register our website, you can watch our class record. For example, then අපි බලමු student portal එකට ගිහිල්ලා ඒ ළමයාට ඕන වෙලාවක යාගේ recordings බලන්න පුළුවන්. If you go to your class, if you have paid the class fee, මෙතන enroll classes වල ඔය class එක ඔයාට පෙන්නනවා. ඒක පස්සේ වෙන දෙයක්. දැන් ඒවා හිතන්න එපා වෙන දෙයක් බලා ගන්න. හරි? Class recordings වල ඔන්න බලන්න. For example, like June and 25 video බලන්න. Here special tude answer කියලා එකක් තියෙනවා. I will let you know what you mean by special tude. You can see there is a PDF there. And there are class class recordings. It's like Netflix. You can watch your class recordings each and every anytime that you want after you, maybe if you miss the live class or maybe anyhow. Right. Right. Okay, let me show one of the tutorials. 7 tutorial there. Okay, let's see this. This is the tute number 7. 7 tute number 7 කියන්නේ මේ month එකේ මේ ජූලි වල tute එක. හරි. හැම මාසෙම ගෙදරට හම්බ වෙනවා. ඔයාලට tute එකේ මොනවද තියෙන්නේ කියලා. අපි පන්තියේ උගන්වන පාඩමට අදාළව theory note එක මේ හැමදේම class එකේදී කරනවා. And there is a special tute. There is a special tute for that lesson. Answers කියලා තිබ්බේ special tute එකේ answers ටික. හරි. Next lesson. circle මේ special tute එක දැක්කද? මේ tute එක හැම මාසෙම ගෙදරට හම්බ වෙනවා. free free කියන්නේ class fee එක ගෙවපු අයට මේ වෙන මොකුත් charges නැහැ. يعني අපිම ඔක්කොම කරලා එවනවා වගේ ගෙදරට. So our class fee is 2000 rupees per month. Right, your tutorial we are sending to your home free of charge, and you can watch all the class recordings from our website anytime that you want. And also Puta, we have proved our success of our classes through results. When you go to isharamadushan.lk, here you can see our results. So Puta, recently in this time also we have the most number of A passes. We have 3682. එක තාම web එකට upload මේ update කරලා නැහැ result sheets. මේ කලින් result sheets තියෙන්නේ. මේ මම කියන්නේ all level result sheets. ඒතර term test results උත් ඔයාලට බලන්න පුළුවන්. පල්ලෙහාට ගිහිල්ලා ළමයින්ගේ කොහමද all level result sheet එක දෙන්න. මේ sorry, term test result sheets දෙන්න. කොහෙද ඒවා? Remember. So you can see we have already proved the success of our online classes. So nobody can tell online classes හරියන්නේ නැහැ කියලා කියන්න කිසිම කෙනෙක්ට බැරි වෙන්න වැඩ කරලා තියෙනවා. එහෙනම් මේ term test results ගොඩක් තියෙනවා පල්ලෙහාට. all level results මේ පාරේ අපි අප්ලෝඩ් කරලා නැහැ තාම පබ්ලිෂ් කරගෙන නැහැ. වහදන ගමන් තියෙන්නේ. අපි ඒවත් පොඩ්ඩක් පෙන්නලා ඉන්න රග්ගා. Hurry up. So here there are a lot of 3682. So here name, school, index number, everything is there. So nobody can tell online class ආර්ථක නැහැ කියලා කිසි කෙනෙක්ට කියන්න බෑ. We will publish these things very soon. තාම හදන ගමන් තියෙන ඔක්කොම. So you can understand. So we have proved our success of our classes through results. If you want to continue our classes, now I am posting a WhatsApp community group to your chat. Make sure to join with this WhatsApp community. We are each and every information we will update there. And also Buddha, make sure to join with this WhatsApp community group link because click and join Buddha, because we are sending the marking scheme of this discussing paper and also some past papers of the second term, and also their marking schemes and also my past discussions. Mama කරපු videos discussions ඒ ඔක්කොම මම දානවා. Make sure to join with this WhatsApp community group. Okay, we shall go to the next question. So right, let's go. 12th one. Right, 25 grams and 75 milligrams, 75 milligrams in milligrams. So can you remember the units that we are using to measure weight? Okay, milligram, gram, kilogram, metric ton. Right, 1000 milligrams. 1000 milligram is equal to 1 gram. 1 gram is equal to 1000 milligrams. 1000 gram is equal to 1 kilogram. Sorry, 1 metric ton is equal to 1000 kilograms. Sorry, one bar. And 25 grams and 75 milligrams. That means 25 grams plus 25 grams plus 75 milligrams. 25, 1 gram, gram 1000 milligram. Instead of this gram, I put 1000 milligram plus 75 milligram. Then 25 into 1000, it is 25,000. and 75 milligram. Let me connect to there in 25 grams. 1 gram is 1000 milligrams, 25,000 milligrams. So 20,000 plus 25,000 plus 75, 25,075 milligrams. Right? Okay, let's go to the next question. Pute, how many 30 milligram bottles can be filled from 1.5 liter of medicine? Again, 1.5 liters. How many 30 milliliters? So I have to divide this by 30 milliliters. How many 30 milliliters in 1.5 liters? So I have to divide 1.5 liters by 30 milliliters. But here liters, here milliliters. And liters, milliliters, you have to multiply by 1000. Because 1 liter is 1000 milliliters. So multiply 1.5 by 1000, it is 1500. 1.5 liters means 1500 milliliters. So here it is 30 milliliters. Now these units are cancelled off. Right? How many 3s for 3? 1. How many 3s for 150? 15 will define. Another 0 here, 50. So the answer is 50. How many 30s in 1500? 50. Turn on the chat. Put yours to the chat if you can understand everything here. Okay. The chat. Siheli? Siheli, what's the problem, Siheli? Siheli, turn on the mic. Siheli, turn on the mic, please.
Yes, sir. I can understand that part.
then hari මට කියන්නකෝ 1 liter 1 liter is equal how much milliliters yeah 1 liter equal to how much milliliters
1,000.
1000 then 1.5 liters 1 liter කියන්නේ නම් 1000 milliliter එහෙනම් 1.5 කියන්නේ නම් that is into 1.5 නේද ඇදරෝ
Yes.
හරි 1.5 1000 ගෙන් multiply කරාම කවුද
1,500.
එහෙනම් 1500 milliliters දැන් 30 milliliters කුප්පි කීයක් තියෙනවද කියලා අහන්නේ. ඉතින් 1500 ඇතුලේ 30 ඒව කොච්චරක් තියෙනවද? එහෙනම් 1500 30 වලින් බෙදන්න ඕනේ කියලා එහෙම තේරෙන්නේ නැද්ද පුතා? How many 30s for 1500? එහෙම තේරෙන්නේ නැහැ.
තේරුන්නේ නැහැ. දැන් තේරෙනවා.
දැන් මයි පුතාට තේරෙනවද?
Yes sir.
හරි. මේ 0 0 කැපෙනවා 153 ගෙන් ඩිවයිඩ් කරාම 15 නේ චූටි. හරිද?
හරි.
Okay. Okay, let's go to the 14th question. Write in ascending order. Comparing of fractions. In order to compare fractions, their denominator should be same. Ne? There should be a common denominator. So we have to convert these unequal denominators to a common denominator. For that, Buddha, the easiest method is you have to find the LCM, least common multiple of the denominators. Least common multiple. So what do you mean by that least common multiple? Wait. Well, and 4K 6K LCM එක කියමු අපි. හරි. පුතා tell me what are the multiples of 4? Multiples of 4. 4 into 1 4, 4 into 2 8, 4 into 3 12, 16, 18, 21, 24, 27. We can write so many. Wait, what are the multiples of 6? 6 into 1 6, 12, 18, 24, 30, 36, 42 and so. What are the common multiples of 4 and 6? Then in a common car 12 is a common. 24 is common. තව ඉස්සරහට යන්න යන ගොඩක් හම්බ වෙනවා. 12, 24 and so on. එහෙනම් LCM least common multiple 4 and 6 මොකද්ද? මෙයාලගේ least value එක කවුද 12. මොකද LCM කියන්නේ? LCM කියන්නේ පුතා මේ LCM of 4 and 6 නම් 7 නුයි 6 නුයි දෙන්නගෙන්ම බෙදෙන කුඩාම සංඛ්‍යාව, the least value that is divisible by 4 and 6, that is the LCM of 4 and 6. You have to understand what do you mean by LCM. LCM කියන්නේ මොකක්ද කියලා තේරෙනවා. ඒක තව විදිහකින් කිව්වොත් in other terms, for example, LCM of 4 and 6 means the number, the least number which is divisible by 4 and 6 without remainders. Right? ඔය LCM එක හොයන shortcut මේ දැන් මේක නම් LCM හොය හොය ඉන්න ඕනේ 12 තමයි එන්නේ මේ. එනකොට මම පොඩ්ඩක් කියන්නම් අර. හරි LCM එක හොයන shortcut method එකක් තියෙනවා ළමයි. දැන් for example LCM of LCM of 4 and 6 කියලා අපි හිතමුකෝ. මෙයාගේ highest number එක ගන්නකො 6. එයාගේ multiples ලියන්න 6 into 1 6 නේ. Check whether it is divisible by 4. No. Then go to the next multiple 6 into 2 12. Check whether it is divisible by 4. Yes. That is the LCM. LCM देखो. Likewise 3 16 3 12 6. Take the highest number 12. First multiple 12 into 1 12. මේ දෙන්නගෙන්ම divisible ද කියලා බලන්න 3 ගෙන් divisible 6 ගෙන් divisible. එහෙනම් මෙයා තමයි LCM එක වෙන්නේ. එහෙම හිතන්නත් පුළුවන්. Otherwise 3 6 both are factors of 12. So 12 is the LCM. Then today a lot of things may want to know. So 2 into 3. I can convert this 3 to 12 by multiplying 4. If you multiply the denominator by 4, you need to multiply the numerator by 4. එතකොට equivalent fraction එක ඉන්නේ. 2 into 4 8. 3 into 4 12. Sorry. Then second එකේ 12 ඉන්න ප්‍රශ්නේ 1 over 6. I can convert this 6 to 12 by multiplying 2. Then you need to multiply 1 by 2. 12. Then කවුද ඉන්නේ 2 over 3. 2 over 3 වෙනුවට 8 over 12 නේ අර ඉන්නේ. එයයි 5 over 12 උයි 2 over 12 මේගොල්ලෝ තමයි මට කම්පෙයාර් කරන්න තියෙන්නේ. හරි. කේක් එකක් සමාන කෑලි 12කට කපලා කෑලි 8ක් කන එකද වැඩිපුර ගන්නෙ. 5ක් කන එකද 2ක් කන එකද? අන්න එහෙම හිතන්න දෙන්න. හරි. ඒතර මේ මෙයාලගේ least fraction එක වෙන්නේ මේ 2 over 12. එයාට වඩා 5 over 12 is greater. එයාට වඩා 8 over 12 is greater. හරි. Right. But පුතා then 2 over 12 means 1 over 6. 5 over 12. It's okay. It's already here now. 8 over 12 means 2 over 3. An ascending order from the least value to the highest value. Put yes to the chat if you can understand, Churi. Any problems? Put problem to the chat if you have any problems. Is that clear? Write the perimeter of the rectangle shown in the diagram by an algebraic expression. Perimeter means what? Perimeter means total outer boundary distance of a closed plane figure. සංවෘත තල රූපයක වටේ මායින්දික ප්‍රමාණය. හරිද? Total outer boundary distance of a closed plane figure. හරි. In a rectangle පුතා opposite sides are equal. Okay, tell me what is the total outer boundary length? A plus B plus A plus B නේ. A plus B plus A plus B. Amazing. A plus A 2A නේ. B plus B 2B. 2 එළියට ගත්තොත් twice of A plus B. කියලා මෙහෙම උත්තරේ දාන්න. So this is the answer. එහෙම දාමුනේ. Perimeter. understand දැන් මේ sign එක අයිති මෙයාට මේ sign එක මේ this sign belongs to him this sign belongs to this වාට ඔහම හිතුවොත් එහෙම දැන් මෙයාගේ plus sign ලියන්නේ මේ plus a මම මෙයා ගාවින් ලියා ගන්නවා එතන plus b ඉන්නවා මේ plus b මෙයා ගාවින් ලියා ගන්නවා 2a plus 2 පුතා let's see the length and the breadth of a cuboid the length and the breadth of a cuboid with ideal length 6 meters and breadth 5 meters is 9 cubed කියලා it's asking find the length and the breadth of a cuboid with පුතේ මේ මෙතන ප්‍රශ්නේ පොඩි අවුලක් තියෙනවා volume of a cuboid means take that volume of a cuboid with length of 6 meter and breadth of 5 meter is 9 9 cube 90 meter cube they're asking the height they're asking what is the height of the cuboid so you can understand Putha right this is a cuboid what's the length 6 meters breadth 5 meters height we do not know I put h so volume comes length into breadth into height ne volume එකෙන් එහෙම නෙමෙයි දැන් අපි ගත්තොත් cross sectional area into the uniform length of distribution complex කරගන්න ඕනේ නැහැ නේ එහෙම කියලා දෙන්න පුළුවන් තම පොඩි වල ඉස්සරහට මම කියනම් මේවා විග්‍රහ කරලා හරි right length into breadth into height so we already know without length into breadth into height we get the volume right yeah, what is the length 6 meters they all are meters meters liyanne hari breadth is 5 meters so height I do not know volume is also cubic meter no right so 90 so Buddha 30h is equal to 90 I want to make h as the subject because of that I divide this side by 30 if you divide one side of an equation by 30 definitely you need to divide the other side by the of the equation by 30 how many 30s for 90 it is 3 all are meters so the answer should be meters so on the chat can you understand Pudi? Is everything is clear okay of the shot output and put oh okay wait until I do the all the questions of the first paper at least okay let's see you know isosceles triangle ABC okay there is a triangle AB is equal to 10 centimeter 10 centimeter Okay, AB is 10 centimeter and BC is 10 centimeter. Yeah, this is isosceles triangle because two sides of this triangle is equal to each other. And AC is 12 centimeter. Okay, write down the ratio amount about the sides. AB to BC to AC. AB to BC to AC. AB is 10. AB is 10, so 10 is 10 centimeter is to BC is 10 centimeter is to AC is 12 centimeter. So centimeter cancels off. So 10 into 12. So I can මේ simplest ratio එක ගන්න පුළුවන් ආදයයිනි common factors 10 10 12 10යි 10යි 12යි බෙදෙන කෙනෙක් තුන්දෙනාම බෙදෙන කෙනෙක් ඉන්නවද? Yes, 2. I can write 10 as 2 is to 5, right? I can write 10 as 2 is to 5. I can write 12 as 2 is to 6. So 2 is a common factor. So 5 is to 6 is the answer. Then 5 to 6 to common factors ne තුන්දෙනාම බෙදෙන කෙනෙක් නේ. That is the simplest form of the ratio. Let's see the 18th question. Simplify. 1 over 3 plus 5 over 7. Here you can see the denominators are different. So we have to go for a common denominator. I told you. It is very easy for you to, if you go for the common denominator as the LCM. So what is the shortcut method of finding LCM, least common multiple? Take the highest number. Write the multiple. 7 into 1, 7. Is it divisible by 3? No. 7 into 2, 14. Is it divisible by 3? No. 7 into 3, 21. Is it divisible by 3? Yes. 21. So I have to convert this 3 to 21. So I have to multiply by 7. All right. If you multiply the denominator by 7, you need to multiply the numerator by 7. I want to convert this 7 into 21. You have to multiply it by 3. Then you have to multiply the numerator by 3 as well. Okay, 1 into 7, 7. 7 into 3, 21. 5 into 3, 15. 7 into 3, 21. Right? 21. When the denominator is common, we can simplify the numerators at once. So the answer is 22 over 21. Puda. This is an improper fraction. What do you mean by improper fractions? The fractions, their numerator is greater than the denominator. We call it as an improper fraction. Normally for answers, we don't keep the improper fractions. We have to convert that for the mixed number. How to convert an improper fraction to the mixed number? Very easy. (22) divided by 21, right? How many 21s for 22? 1. 21 into 1, 21. 22 minus 21, 1. පුතා මෙන්න මේකට කියනවා අපි quotient කියලා. මෙන්න මේකට කියනවා අපි quotient කියලා. මේකට කියනවා පුතා අපි remainder කියලා. හරි. එතකොට මේ mixed number එකේ whole number part එක තමයි ඔය quotient එක 1. fraction part එකේ numerator එක තමයි මේ remainder එක. Denominator is 21. So 1 and 1 over 21. 1 and 1 over 21. Quotient is the whole number part. Remainder is the numerator of the fraction. 21 is the denominator. Okay. All right. We shall go to the next question. Find the area of the figure. Okay, Buddha. Right. Let me take this part as the 1, this part as 2, this part as 3. You can understand, Buddha. This is a composite plane figure. Composite can combine velati in plane figures kihipak. There are 3 rectangles. What is the area of a rectangle? Length into breadth. So I can say, right, 1 plus 2 plus 3. Total area is equal to this. What is the area of the part 1? 2 into 3. Area of the 2, 3 is 3 into 4. Area of the third plus 5 into 2 because they are rectangles. Length into breadth. 2 into 3 it is 6. 3 into 4 it is 12. 5 into 2 it is 10. 6 plus 12, 18. 18 plus 10, 28. All are centimeter. Because of that, area comes centimeter square. Utami Vansh. Fill in the blanks. Then may 2 in or 3. Then may we have written 36 in terms of prime numbers. Ne? What are the prime numbers? Prime numbers are the numbers which are having only 2 factors. That 2 factors are 1 and that number itself. What is the first prime number? 2. Second prime number 3. Third prime number 5. Then 7. How do you know? All right. How to find the neither? I want to find 36 as a product of prime numbers. How to do that? How to do that? Okay, I divide 36. What is the first prime number? 2. Is it divisible by 2? Yes. Is still divisible by 2? Yes. Why not? Is still divisible by 2? No. Go to the next prime number 3. Is it divisible by 3? Yes. How many 3s? 1 and 3. Is it divisible by 3? Yes. Why not? 1. And 36 labiname 2 into 2 4. 4 into 3 12. 12 into 3 36. 36 in 1 36. And 2 into 3 into 3. 2 into 2 4. 4 into 3 12. 12 into 3 36. Putih. turn on the chat. Hurry. Putha, make sure to join with this WhatsApp community group. We will posting all the class if you want to join our classes, how to do that, we will post it there. And also, Putha, we will update the past papers for the term test and also the discussions that I have done. And also the marking scheme for this paper as well. First part, second part, marking scheme. Right. Turn on the chat. Make sure to join with this. Uday, could you understand each and everything I taught you so far? And also, I want to know, was it productive? Do you think today is a productive day for you? Huh? Today is a productive day for you? Way off the shot. Website and මොනවත් කරන්න නෑ. Website මොනවත් හොයන්න එපා. Make sure to join with the WhatsApp community. We will update all the payment details and everything there for if you want to join our classes. But if you don't want to join our classes, it's okay. But make sure to join with the community because we are sending the marking scheme for this paper. So you can do that and go to your exams. No? Okay, Pata. So it is time to go now because I have to start another class now. Okay, Pata, turn on the chat. Okay, so you just face your exams very well and come. See you in the class, okay? Okay, Pata, see you.